In a quiet valley village, a gentle river sighs as a lantern glows on a small wooden ferry at dawn. The old ferryman moves with patient ease, guiding paper boats downstream while distant rain taps softly on tiled roofs. A sleepy dog lies on the dock, and a kettle hums, releasing a steady, comforting steam through the morning air. Birds drift across mossy stones as the breeze carries a soft hush that invites breath to slow and eyes to grow heavy with ease. By late morning, the village settles into a tranquil, lilting rhythm that lulls the mind toward peaceful dreams.